Okay, right here, Washington Commanders. That's where they practice, you guys. Right here in this white little balloon right there. That's where they practice. Washington, Washington. There it is, in that balloon right there. They practice in there, Washington Commanders. Right in that building, right Okay, so we got some water scenery going on here. See, I'm doing this video for you guys because I'm enjoying this. I hope you guys are enjoying it with me. My storage is going low. I don't have enough storage to keep this going on, but it's all going to work out for my good. I see you. Isn't that pretty? Look at this. You on my vlog?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so what did you find?
Oh, I just caught a little bass.
A what?
A little bass.
Oh my God, let me see it.
Oh, it's in the water.
Oh, you put it back. Oh, you can't take it home, right?
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
the
I
law?
already put it back.
The law is you can take it and put it back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So say hi to my people. And your name?
I don't want to state my name.
No, all right then.
Yeah.
He's a young man, good young man.
Yeah, I
fishing
don't
here.
want to state my name.
No, that's okay. That's good. I like that. Let's see what you got. Go ahead. Try it again. Throw it in. I'm not going to put you too much on there.
Thank you.
Sure. You gave the greetings and that's all that. Oh, did we find something?
Oh, yeah, you saw
Oh,
that.
yeah. We got a little bite there.
Oh, another one. It's
on.
fly fishing. Fly fishing to the people.
What is it? Fly fishing?
Fly fishing to the people.
Oh, okay. So you could just fish, but you can't take it. You got to put it back
Catch
into.
and release.
You got to put it back in the water. It's for fun.
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. Come on, fishy. Let's go.
That's right.
Show me something for the people to see you. Come on, rise up and shine. Oh. Almost.
Mm-hmm.
We need one. Come on. Show your
See
face.
it? See it?
Yes, yes. Oh, he felt
And that's
that.
all I do. I don't want to touch them with my hands.
Right, right, exactly. Let's see another one.
Oh, it's thundering.
Yes, it's raining now.
Mm-hmm.
I saw the cloud was looking so dark. Look right here, guys. So dark. Gonna get some rain. See the drizzles in the water? Look, the raindrops. Come on, fishy, let's go. Let's do this. Show up, and show out. They're waiting for you. You guys, we waiting here. We're gonna wait here until we see that little fishy again. Fishy, fishy, come on. This is fun, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. You come out here every day?
Yeah, after work.
Oh, yeah, that's relaxing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's what they say. Do you go out to the big waters?
Sometimes. Not a lot.
Okay.
Watch this, watch it.
Where is it? Where is it?
Oh, he missed it. He missed it.
Man. Do you guys see the water? See right here? They put little man-made water for us to fish and relax our mind and have a little fun.
Are they tipping you?
Huh?
I said, are they giving you any tips?
Who?
The people.
I'm waiting for them to come back with some little tips here, but they don't hit the comments like they're supposed to.
Oh, okay.
So let them know what they need to do.
They need to hit them tips.
There you go.
Send gifts.
No, we want the thumbs up
Yeah, the thumbs.
and the subscribe, right?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, make it happen. You heard him say? Tell them again, one more time. What they need to do?
Subscribe.
Amen. Ooh, come on, fishy, let's go. We're going to stay here until we get one. Have fun. Watch the scenery, guys. Look, dark clouds. Dark clouds.
Watch this, watch this, watch this.
Wait.
Oh.
Oh, we missed one.
All right, one more.
Come on. It's raining. We got to go. But we want a little fishy so you guys can see the little fun we have out here. You know Lady J go where the fun is. She'll find the fun. As long as the people say, okay, I'm good with you on the camera. I don't put them too long. I just let them say hello and that's it.
Yeah.
You hear their voice? But you don't have to look at their face all the time. Oh my goodness. Look. Wait. Yes. Look, you guys. Look right here. OMG. Let's see. You see that? Fun. We're gonna look for some water scenery now. Yes. Lady J gonna do her thing. Come along with me. It's not summer yet, and I'm just doing what I'm doing right now. Until summer come here, you guys know. I can't show too much because there's people around in the park. And I don't want to put them on the camera unless they say they want to. I have to respect their privacy, right? Especially when children are around, we have to make sure we keep them. We got rocks, we got water. Rocks. Little boardwalk we could walk in. You could go on there. I don't want to put it over there because there's people and children over there, and I don't want to put them on the camera. Okay? Watch the scenery. Look at that waterfall. Man-made. Look at this. I tell you, God give mine so much creative mind. This is like a center for, I think, sports. Recreation Center. We're just watching the water because the scenery is so beautiful. Hear the birds. There's one right up here. Look. Right there. I don't want to go further because there's people everywhere. So I don't want to put them unless they want to. Respect the space, you know? We as bloggers have to respect others no matter what. Respect is due. So enjoy the scenery. Little flies out here. Oh, there's a little birdie up there. Look. See the little birdie right there? Right there, little birdie. Hi, little birdie. Hi. Hi, little birdie. Fly away from me. Fly away so people can see you. Fly away. Guess you don't want to fly away, guys. He's like, get out my way, Lady Jane. Get out my way. You're invading my space, girl. Lady, what's wrong with you? Oh, look what we have in the water. Oh man, I can't zoom in anymore. When we have those little ducks in the water, they went down in the water. They went underneath the water. I'm trying to see if I can wait until they get back up. Oh, it flew away. The little birdie flew away. There go the little ducks right there. Can you guys see them? See them right there? Right there. Right there, right there. I can't zoom in. They're right there swimming away. They went back down in the water. I love to hear the birds sound. It feels so relaxing mentally to just hear the little chirp, chirp, chirp. It's beautiful. It's very relaxing. It makes you feel free. It makes you feel relaxed. It makes you think about life. Hello, how are you guys doing? Oh, look at your jumper. That's cute. Ooh, little flies out here. Yuck. Go all in your eyes and your nose. You see them? Little fly, 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 fly. So pretty. Did you get any fishes yet? You did? Oh, I'm gonna stay right here. You don't mind, right? Do you mind if I stay and see what's going on? Thank you.
There's a real fish swimming right over there.
Those kids? Now I don't want to put them on the camera.
Doesn't matter.
You are the dad? It's okay by you to go see that fish?
You still doing it here with it?
No, but I'm not putting them on there. I'm just using the water. I'll stay here with you. I hope my my phone don't fall in there.
We were fishing earlier in the week and my phone fell directly out of my pocket into the water.
Are you serious?
Yep, we were sitting on some rocks.
Did you find it?
Jumped right in after it.
That's what I'm talking about. That's a serious man right here, guys. He's very serious. I'm not going to put him on the camera. It's okay for you to put on there?
This one was hilarious.
You want to come on the camera?
Fill it up. Yeah.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about. A man off my heart. He said, flame it up. Give a story. Let's hear a story.
Oh, here we go.
Oh!
Girls. Liliana, your turn. Come on, hon.
Where is it? Oh, today is my lucky day, guys. I'm putting everything for you guys today. You see that? The love, the love.
Here, Liliana, no. We're doing it. We're looking for it. Before you take the back here.
Let's see what Juliana gonna bring up. Hi, Juliana. Daddy's looking out for you. Whoa! Look! Juliana, you're the best. Look at you. Look at you. Let's see it on the camera. What? Look at this.
Get your net, hon. Get your net and set up. Get ready to set them free. Go down with the other kiddos and set them. Oh, no, wait. You took one of my fishing lures, honey. Here, I'll trade you. You can have the fish. I'll hold on to the fishing lure. Hey.
Nice. That is beautiful. Thank you, sir. I appreciate all your support for making my video outstanding. That was nice. Did you guys see that? Ooh. Oh, there got a plane going right there. Why can't I see the plane? Where is the plane? I know I see it, but it's not showing on the camera. Let's see if we find another one. Fishy, fishy. See the beautiful water. Isn't that pretty? We're waiting patiently for another one. While we wait, watch the scenery. Uh-oh, we got another one. There's a lot over this side. Woohoo! There we go. You see him down there swimming? Oh, yes. Okay.
Grab it with your hand. Grab it with your hand. Oh, no. Put that one, Lily, put that one in the water, please.
Let's get a close-up.
Go.
Whoosh.
Everly. Freeman Evers. Grab the fishing thing out there.
Oh, what you got in there? Can I see? Can I hold it so I could show it? Look at that. He got this. I don't want to put you on there, so let me just show the fish. Look at this. He got a little fish in there. Look, guys. Oh, so sweet. Thank you, Papa. You're so handsome, aren't you? You're a handsome little man. Over here got a lot of fish, you guys. Many. But I'm loving the water. Pumping out of there, making it look so pretty. Like a waterfall. But it's not a waterfall, it's man-made. There's one way down there. Way down there. Let me zoom it in. See that one down there? Two little flies. I'm just bringing you guys something to relax your mind. Yes, life is beautiful. So we have to go out there and look for it, right? You gotta go out there and find it. There's a lot to life. All right, have a great day. Appreciate you. Huh? Oh, you got one over there. See the water for the kids to play with. They're playing out here. Trying to look for the little ones. Little stuff to do for the children. Yeah, we saw that one. See that one? Isn't that pretty? Is it pretty? Yes. And we looking in the water.
I got this fish.
Oh, she got one. Let me see this one.
That's fake.
It is fake.
Yeah.
Let's
It's
see
a
the fake
fish
one.
bait.
Show the fake one. Put your hand out there. Oh, look at the fake ones. She said the fake ones. Yeah. We got the fake fish. We got the real fish. We got everything up in here.
But why are you taking pictures of that?
Huh?
I mean, fishes.
I don't want to put you on there. I'm taking pictures of your hands, but not in your body, okay?
Actually, I will play sharks and minnows. Actually, I will play sharks and minnows.
Ooh, we got a lot of poops over here.
Actually, I will play sharks and minnows.
A lot of duck poopy. Whoosh.
See, we get one more fish over at the shark's nose,
See the water, relaxing. Relax your mind. Enjoy the video. Relax your
You
mind.
wanna be the sharks? We're gonna be the minnows.
Say what?
You wanna be the sharks? Where are the
Be
minnows?
careful, man. You fall, okay? I don't want. I know Daddy's a good swimmer. I know that I'm not a good swimmer, but I know Daddy is.
They're all good swimmers too.
They are?
They're little, yeah, they're little fish.
Really? I wish I could be a little fish.
Goggles and everything.
Really? Well, your Daddy is. Oh.
I'm a swimmer.
She is too much.
All surfing in Puerto Rico before they're 10.
Oh, Puerto Rico? You guys live there?
Yeah, we're gonna get them there surfing in Puerto Rico before they're 10.
Oh, really?
You wanna play sharks and minnows?
What is it?
You wanna play sharks and minnows?
Sharks and minnows?
Yeah.
What game is that?
So we're the minnows and you're trying to eat us because
Oh my
we're
gosh, that's scary. I don't want to eat. No,
The,
that's
no,
a
we're
big fish.
sharks.
You
I mean, you're sharks and we're fishes.
sharks?
They're actually really, the first time we played it, I thought I'd be able to tag them, and they're actually really good at it. It's hard.
Really?
They win, the minnows win most of the
It's
time.
a real game?
Well, it's just like you play it in a pool, but we play it over there because there's two different boundaries of the playground.
Oh,
Let's play
it
at the
pool where you dive in and
playground.
swim from one
Come
side to the
on.
other.
they're that good, huh? And she
Yeah,
all
it's really
excited.
fun.
Look at you. You are fun. I like her. Is that the last one? You have 3, right?
Yeah.
3 little girls? Oh, God bless you. All right, come on, fishy. Let's go. See, the biker is going over there, guys. It's a
Wax.
woohoo!
Come on.
Yes, yes, yes.
Catch this one here. Come land it. Come reel it in.
Yes, yes. What happened? You're not catching anything over there? My guy? Nothing happening for you? Oh my gosh, you need to get a schooler over here. Oh, nice. We got some fishermen out here. He's a pro, guys. You guys want to learn, y'all better come here in Ashburn, Loudoun County, Northern Virginia. We got all the fun over here. And it's not even summertime as yet. So just imagine. Spring is the best because the weather is so beautiful. You got all the beautiful flowers. We can't go wrong. Spring is the best. What is that? What's that? The baits?
The girls like to play with the baits. So they grab the ones
Is
that
it
are
real?
cute. No, they grab the ones that
Let
are
me see
cute
what
out
they
of my
look like.
bag. They grab the ones that are cute out of my bag. The one we're using today, though, is the pink worm. Deadly.
Oh.
Deadly.
Oh,
the pink worm.
really? Is that good? They saw the color. I think that's what makes it.
They can see it
See
far
that?
away.
See that, guys? They call it the deadly.
Ah, here we go. Walmart.
There you go. Walmart,
Dick's
Wally Mart,
Sporting
got
Goods.
it all. We're not sponsoring, but we're telling you what the real thing is.
All good. Girls, let's go play a game.
All right. See you guys. Have fun. Say bye. Adios.
Hey, little sharks and minnows. Come on.
So, you guys, I had a lot of fun with the children and the dad. The dad was so nice and cool, man. I wish a lot of people could be like that, you know? Life could be much easier. He was so awesome with the children. He was like, sure, get on the camera, why not? And that's what I'm talking about, you know? Beautiful. See? Scenery? See back there? That's where we just came from. He's like, why not? I like people like that. Full of love, full of vibes, full of goodness, you know? Life is beautiful. You know, we have to learn to respect each other. We have to learn to love each other. I know sometimes it's hard, it's so hard. Even in your own family, it's so hard sometimes because people realize, you know, when they're close to you, they take you for granted. But it's okay, we still love them no matter what. They say love them from afar, right? That's a good thing. It's a great thing. So, as I close this vlog out, I want to say, peace out, bless, bless. And remember, with God, all things, and this weekend they celebrate Easter, right? But I say blessed day because every day is a blessed day. So all those who celebrate Easter, happy Easter. And all those who celebrate Christ himself, stay blessed up. All those who know the sacrificial blood was shed for many, may God bless. Okay, so we're enjoying the weekend of Easter holiday. I hope all is well in your world and stay blessed, knowing that God is the source of all things. Sending you the love. Stay blessed.